serve. I'm ready to forgive, and I'm grateful for the lessons. I'm ready to grieve, as that's the price of love. I know I'm not alone when I accept who's in the mirror. I'm ready to be vulnerable, as that takes true courage. I learn from the mistakes that come with taking the risk. I see my potential, and it's what the world needs. I accept this invitation to stand up and be proud. I allow your love in. Let's march to our heart's rhythm together, so loud.